If you're looking to connect Folk CRM with Pipedrive, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to integrate the two software platforms seamlessly so you can make the most out of your CRM and sales pipeline management. First, a quick rundown on Folk CRM. Folk is a versatile, collaborative CRM designed to simplify relationship management. It's particularly useful for small to medium-sized businesses looking for an intuitive interface and powerful automation features. The beauty of Folk CRM lies in its simplicity and flexibility, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs. Now, let's talk about Pipedrive. This is a top-tier sales CRM, great for managing leads and tracking sales progress. It's a powerful tool for teams who need to keep their sales pipeline organized and productive. With its customizable pipeline stages, activity tracking, and real-time insights, Pipedrive makes managing your sales process a breeze. If you're using both Folk CRM and Pipedrive, connecting them is a game changer. By syncing the two, you can ensure that all your customer data flows smoothly between the platforms. This helps you keep track of every interaction, from the first email to closing the deal, without manually transferring data. To start the integration, you'll need to use a third-party automation tool like Zapier. If you're not familiar with Zapier, it's a tool that connects different apps and automates workflows. This means you won't have to switch between Folk CRM and Pipedrive constantly. Zapier will do the work for you. Here's how to do it. 1. First, sign up for a Zapier account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, click on Make a Zap to create a new automation. 2. In the first step, select Folk CRM as the trigger app. Choose an event like New Contact or Updated Contact. This means whenever something happens in Folk CRM, it will trigger an action in Pipedrive. 3. Next, you'll set Pipedrive as the action app. You can choose actions like Create Deal or Add Person to ensure that any new contact or updated info in Folk CRM automatically syncs with Pipedrive. 4. Finally, connect your accounts and map the fields you want to sync between Folk CRM and Pipedrive. For example, you'll map your contact name, email, phone number, or any other important information between the two platforms. Once you've set everything up, you can test your Zap to make sure the integration works correctly. If it's successful, you can turn on the Zap and start automating your workflow. This integration will save you time and help you maintain a more organized sales process. No more copying and pasting between systems, and you won't risk missing important details from your contacts. By the way, if you're new to either Folk CRM or Pipedrive, both tools are offering free trials, and you can get started for absolutely free from the first link in the description below. You'll also get exclusive bonuses if you sign up through our link, which will make the whole process even more valuable. Just imagine how much smoother your workflow will be with Folk CRM and Pipedrive working together seamlessly. You can manage leads in Pipedrive and track every detail in Folk CRM with ease. It's a simple setup that brings a lot of power to your sales process. Before we wrap up, remember, there's an exclusive extended free trial available for both platforms through our link, so don't miss out on this chance to level up your CRM game. So now that you know how to connect Folk CRM with Pipedrive, go ahead and set it up. This integration can transform the way you manage your customer relationships and sales pipeline. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link below for your free trial and bonuses.